guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Lise and I make a lot of cooking videos, and I would love it so much if you could subscribe and join the family. And you can always come back here for recipe ideas, beauty tips, and more. And today, since it's fall, it's raining outside, I thought I'd bring you guys a soup video. This one is so easy, even like a baby could make this. You literally just dump everything in a pot, forget about it, and I really think you guys are gonna enjoy it. So without further ado, let's just jump in the video. Like I was saying, this video is this recipe is very simple, and you probably already have all these ingredients on hand, so I'm just gonna walk you through what you're gonna need. So here I have a big bowl of spinach. In this bowl I have some celery, carrots, potatoes, garlic, and the cool thing about this recipe is you don't even have to peel the vegetables. Just wash them really well and cut them up in big chunks. I have some white onions here. I have some beef stew cubes. I have some heavy cream. I have some black pepper, canola oil, salt, water, and chicken stock, and that's all you're going to need. Very big pot here. I'm going to add the oil. The pot was already preheating, so it's really hot and it's ready to go. So I'm going to add my beef to that. For literally like less than 2 minutes, and it's already has some good color. So what I'm gonna add next is the onions. I'm gonna add the onions, and as you can see, I didn't really chop the onions, I just cut them up in big chunks. It's all gonna be blended together anyway, so you don't really have to spend a lot of time prepping the veggies. So we're just gonna let these onions get a little bit of color just for flavor, and then we'll add the next step. Alright guys, so for the next step we're gonna add the rest of our veggies. That's how easy this recipe is. We're going to add our salt and pepper. We're going to add the chicken stock and the water. And we're going to bring this to a boil. Then we'll move on to the next step. This thing here, once it starts boiling, we're going to add the spinach, and at this point the potatoes are starting to soften up, so it won't be too long until it's done. So at this point I think it's done, and I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like right before you blend it, and yeah, that's it. finished blending the soup. So the last step is we're gonna add the cream and the butter. Sorry, not to mention that we needed a little bit of butter, but yeah, that's it. So we're just gonna melt the butter. It's just gonna help, you know, make the soup richer and smooth. And yeah, just be sure to toast some bread with this and you'll be good to go. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I really hope you guys give this soup recipe a try, and I'm really sure that you're gonna enjoy it because it's one of my favorite, especially this time of the year when it's raining, it's cold, and about to go back in quarantine. Miss Rona overstayed her welcome. Not that she was ever welcome, but I really do hope you try this recipe and let me know if you like it, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye.